respected Ayurveda scholars and lovers of Ayurveda, the postgraduate department of Ayurveda Mahavidyalaya in Samhita and Siddhanta, they started in the year of 2010. In the year of 2014, we have conducted a national level seminar on Siddhanta Chintana with eminent scholars. On account of the Dashamanotsava of the Samhita Siddhanta 2020, we have completed 10 years of Samhita Siddhanta department. On this occasion, we have planned to conduct an international webinar on Samhita Samardhini by name, as because of COVID problem, we are not able to call the speakers from different parts of the country and so on. That's why department has planned, we have planned the webinar at least should be conducted internationally. That's why on this event the managing committee has formed. Our president of the college, Padma Shri Dr. M.M. Joshi, is the chief patron, and Dr. G.H. Naregal, the chairman of Hubli Ayurveda Seva Samiti, will be the chief patron, and Dr. A.S. Prashant, who is the well-known Ayurvedic scholar and a physician and principal of our institution, and who is the backbone of all these events, as a patron of this occasion, and Dr. J.R. Joshi, a dean PG Studies, Ayurveda Mahavidyalaya Hubli, as a president of this event, and Dr. Savita Sajjan, the chairman and associate professor of Samhita Siddhanta department, Dr. Vinay Kumar Hiremat, the associate professor, Ayurveda Mahavidyalaya, is the organizing secretary, and Dr. Sandeep Desai, associate professor, program coordinator, and Dr. Saurabh Kakatnoor is again associate professor, and he is the program convener. With this team, we have planned to conduct a international webinar on 24/6 to 27/6/2020. We have called the guest speaker. Among this, the first, the Honorable, the Vice Chancellor of Kurukshetra University, Kurukshetra. He accepted our invitation, and he is only the inaugurating the session, and followed by the keynote address, Dr. Baldev Kumar Dhiman. We are very happy to say, with earlier he was working in Jaipur National Institute, and later on with his effort and with his good work, the government has recognized him and appointed as a Vice Chancellor in the Kurukshetra University. In this occasion, he accepted our invitation, and 24th by 11 to 1 p.m. he will be inaugurating, and followed by the keynote address. The second speaker on 25th, Dr. L. Mahadevan. I think everybody has know his name throughout India. He is a good orator and a good speaker, and moreover he is my classmate when I was a postgraduate study in Trivandrum, and he will be speaking on applicability of Guna Siddhanta in Vatarakta. Actually, as he is a Kaya Chikitsa, even though he knows the many basic concepts, how Guna Siddhanta, based on Guna Siddhanta, we can analyze the diseases. Actually, the treatment what we are suggesting, it is not important, but what is the basic thing behind it, the diseases, that is very important. That's why, as a basic topic taught by the Kaya Chikitsa, it is very good. That's why we have selected L. Mahadevan on this occasion. And 26th, Dr. Mahesh Vyas, a well-known scholar, international figure. He is speaking on the importance of Nyaya in understanding the Samhitas. Different Nyayas are explained in the Ayurvedic Samhita, but we don't know what is the practical importance, what is clinical importance of this. We have requested the Mahesh Vyasa to speak on this topic, and he accepted our invitation. He will be speaking on the Nyaya and its understanding of Samhita. The third important, the budding and well experienced and very good knowledge in Ayurveda, Dr. Abhijit Saraf. He has given his interested area, the exploring a clinical importance of untouched concepts. See, like Punarjanma, the concept of Atma, Paramatma. These things are taught to our scholars in undergraduate, even in postgraduate. But we don't know what is the clinical importance behind it. Punarjanma, if you take, or the Mrityu definition, what Charaka explained, if you consider, it looks like the philosophical background. But when we enter into the deep of this concept, it is having its own clinical importance. Regarding this, he only selected the topic, the untouched, the topics in Ayurveda. Sir, I will speak on this. 27th, he will be speaking on, untouched clinical importance of concepts in Ayurveda. With this, this webinar will be live on YouTube on a Samhita Samvardhini channel. Kindly register and cooperate with us and make use of this Ayurveda to one and all. With this, I thank you all the lovers of Ayurveda, not as scholars of Ayurveda only. Thank you one and all.